Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling the video titled, How to Transfer USDT from Bybit to Local Bank Account, 2025. If you've got USDT sitting in your Bybit wallet and you're ready to convert it to cash in your local bank, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember that crypto rules can change, so double-check for any 2025 updates. First things first, make sure your Bybit account is fully verified. Log in to your Bybit dashboard. It's the gateway to all your crypto actions. Once you're in, head over to your wallet section and locate your USDT balance. Before you can transfer to a bank, you'll likely need to convert USDT to your local fiat currency, like USD or EUR. Click on the Convert or Trade option. Select the pair, e.g., USDT to USD, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. This step is crucial because most banks don't accept crypto directly. Next, navigate to the Withdraw or Fiat Withdrawal tab. Here, you'll see various options. Choose the one for bank transfers. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, and be mindful of any withdrawal limits or fees. Bybit might charge a small percentage or flat fee, so check that beforehand to avoid surprises. Now, input your bank details accurately. This includes your bank account number, routing number if applicable, and any other required information. Double-check everything to prevent errors that could delay your funds. Once you've filled in the details, review the transaction summary and hit Confirm. You'll probably need to go through a two-factor authentication step for security. Always use it to protect your assets. After confirmation, the transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on your bank and region. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation notifications. A quick tip. In 2025, regulations might be tighter, so ensure you're compliant with any KYC requirements. Also, watch out for market volatility. Crypto prices can fluctuate, affecting your final amount. That's it for the steps. By following this guide, you'll have your USDT turned into real cash in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.